Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to make a chicken curry. I've made hundreds of chicken curries before. This is delightful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at what we have then. So chicken, skin is on, bone is in. What I'm using is 4 legs, and I've cut the legs in half. You can use a whole chicken if you want to cut it up. So there's about 1 kg of chicken there. 3 tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. 1 cup of onion, cilantro or coriander, curry leaves. These are fresh curry leaves. You can get them, they're fabulous. If not, try and get dried. Green chili, it's up to you the amount you want to put in. I've got just that amount you can see there. Our spices today, so here I always call this the big 4. If you're a regular to the show, you're going to recognize these straight away. Teaspoon each of coriander, cumin, turmeric and chili powder. In addition to that, on this one, we're going to add a teaspoon of green cardamom powder and nutmeg. Really beautiful in there, that is. And I'm going to start it off with some star anise. I've got 3 star anise there. Okay, oil, salt, that's about it. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got my pot or pan. I'm actually using this type of wok. Got some oil in there. I'm just using the sunflower oil. We're just going to get the chicken in first. So like I said, I've used 4 legs, cut them in half. Skin is on. Bone is in. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt right now. And we're going to fry these. I've just put the heat on, so we're on an above medium heat. We're going to go for about 5 minutes. I'm going to be throwing them around. Just want to get a little bit of colour onto the chicken first. So of course this chicken is not cooked all the way through yet, but we have got a bit of colour on it. What we're going to do is take it out, set it aside, and we're going to continue cooking in this oil, which now has some lovely chicken flavours as well. So I've kept the heat going, so it's nice and hot there still. The star anise, in that goes. Now I'm just using star anise today, but if you wanted some cumin seeds or some other whole garam masala can work. We're going to drop in 1 cup of onion. The fresh curry leaves. The fresh chili. The tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. And we're going to cook that just for 3 minutes on this high heat. Beautiful. Now for those 3 tomatoes. In they go. Let's add some more salt while we're here to the curry. 5 or 6 minutes now. Stay on the high heat. Really want to get those tomatoes cooked down. So give it a stir every now and then. And hopefully they'll cook down and we'll get a nice bit of moisture from them. That depends on the juiciness and the ripeness of the tomatoes that are used. And that's fabulous. That's 5 or 6 minutes. Let's add our spices now. So teaspoon of green cardamom powder and nutmeg. I really love that in this curry. Really, really delicious. And then a teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, chili, and turmeric. Look at that go. Fabulous. We're now going to reintroduce the chicken that we cooked a little bit earlier. We're going to add some water. Maybe that's a cup and a half. We're going to get the heat now on a below medium. And we're going to let that go for about 10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. That looks beautiful, look at that. Lovely and smooth. check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call it, in it goes. Going to give that a mix in, and that's ready to serve. Delightful. And there we have it. Now what I'm doing is I'm serving that just with some plain white rice, which is fabulous. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.